What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix Outlook too many requests error 429. Firstly, try to wait 15 to 30 minutes. Stop trying to log in, wait from 15 to 30 minutes without making new attempts, then try signing in again with the correct credentials. If not, switch to mobile data or a hotspot. If the error is tied to your IP address, switch networks that can help. Just close the Outlook app, turn off Wi-Fi, and then turn on mobile data. Then reopen Outlook and try signing in again. If not, a VPN assigns you a different exit IP address, so install a trusted VPN app, connect to a server location, and open Outlook and try logging in again. If you're using a work or school account, VPN use might be restricted, so check with your IT administrator before using a VPN. Also, you can try clearing browser cache by clearing your data from your browser, restart it, and try logging in again. And finally, make sure your credentials are correct. Double check your password, reset it if unsure, and make sure caps locks is off. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks like this.